Concerns over police staffing in the city of Stinnett first surfaced back in November. Thanks for joining us. Clint is on leave. Fox 14's Blas Guerrero has more on the changes and what they could mean for public safety. That story is part of our Democracy 2026 coverage tonight.
The city of Stinnett faced staffing challenges inside its police department after multiple resignations late last year. Since then, the city council promoted interim chief of police Tanner Edwards to chief of police with the task of rebuilding the department.
The city council on December 8th named our interim chief of police, the actual chief of police, Tanner Edwards, and he has worked diligently on getting us staffed. We have 6 part-time police officers.
She says the goal was to restore the police presence quickly while remaining competitive with surrounding communities.
They are learning quickly that there's police out there and everything. So, and it's kind of nice because some of the police officers aren't exactly from the city. So it helps out to where it just helps out to have their presence and stuff.
Chief Tanner Edwards says many of the officers hired were already working in the region, making the transition smoother and limiting the need for training.
It's hard to find extra work for law enforcement officers, off-duty gigs as we call it. Officers are always looking to make extra money because obviously, we don't make a whole lot as it is. Finding those guys, it didn't take but 2 or 3 weeks to get those 6.
During the rebuilding phase, Edwards says help from the Hutchinson County Sheriff's Office was critical in maintaining coverage, especially overnight. Now he says residents are noting the increased police presence both on highways and in neighborhoods.
People have come to me and said that they love seeing the officers pulling people over on the highway. They said that they're not used to seeing that.
Edwards says his next focus is upgrading the aging patrol vehicles and continuing to evaluate staffing needs as the department settles into its new structure. Live in the studio, Blas Guerrero, Fox 14 News. Maya.
Blas, thank you. Edwards plans to hire 3 or 4 more part-time officers. He adds he plans to introduce all current officers at the next city council meeting so residents can meet them.